How to change Instagram icon. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the option of Instagram, or also make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now in order to have the Instagram icon changed, you need to simply launch the Play Store, and if you have an updated version, you can simply go back for the older versions of Instagram. So when that happens, you can switch to your older Instagram icon. So you can simply go to the Play Store over here and search for Instagram, and as you do that, you'll be able to see if you have any updates. As you can see on the screen, there is no update, so it means we have the latest version. Now if you want to have different icon, you can simply go back to the older versions of Instagram and install it. You can just uninstall the updates over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.